Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into one of the most unexpected but exciting entries in the truck world, the 2025 Mack Pickup. Known for their heavy-duty semi-trucks, Mack is now bringing its legendary toughness into the pickup market, and this beast is built to dominate. Under the hood, the 2025 Mack Pickup offers serious power with a turbocharged diesel engine and an optional hybrid system. The diesel variant pushes out massive torque, perfect for heavy towing and off-road performance. The hybrid model adds electric assist for extra power and fuel efficiency, giving drivers the best of both worlds. With a reinforced chassis and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this truck is ready for any job or adventure. Mack is all about durability, and the design reflects that. The bold front grille, massive fenders, and high ground clearance give it a commanding presence. The rugged steel-reinforced frame ensures long-term durability, while aggressive LED lighting and signature Mack badging make it stand out on the road. With optional skid plates and off-road tires, this truck is as tough as they come. Inside, the 2025 Mack Pickup delivers both comfort and functionality. The interior features premium materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and a high-tech infotainment system. The massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto keep you connected on the go. Heated and ventilated seats, a digital instrument cluster, and customizable drive modes enhance both convenience and performance. Whether you're on a worksite or heading off-road, this truck is built for all-day comfort. Towing and payload capabilities are where the Mack Pickup truly shines. With best-in-class towing capacity, it can haul heavy trailers, boats, or equipment with ease. The reinforced bed includes multiple tied-down points, an integrated power outlet, and a modular storage system. Whether you're hauling tools for work or loading up for a weekend getaway, this truck is designed for versatility. Safety is also a priority, and Mack has equipped this pickup with top-tier driver assistance technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system ensure safe and confident driving in any environment. With built-in trailer sway control and off-road stability assist, this truck is as smart as it is powerful. Mack's entry into the pickup market is a bold move, but the 2025 Mack Pickup proves they're serious about delivering a game-changing truck. It combines rugged durability, advanced technology, and unstoppable performance, making it a strong competitor against established brands. Whether you need a workhorse for the job site, a reliable off-road machine, or a tough daily driver, this truck is built to handle it all. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest trucks and performance vehicles, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful content.